All right, guys, we finally just pulled up to the parks. We have some good lighting right here, so we're gonna take advantage of it for sure. We're gonna do some pin trading today. We're at Disneyland today. They close at 10, unfortunately, but it's okay because we're gonna hang out with some friends. Hopefully, get on a ride maybe as a big group.
Big group,
like 30 of us. Oh. I don't know. We'll see what we can do, but for sure we're gonna have some fun. It's already like 6 something, so we gotta make the best of what we can do.
The sunset's beautiful, by the way.
It's very nice. So are you. We're beautiful. And that's pretty much it right now, guys. Let's see what we can do. So it turns out I was right in my last video that Blinky would be gone from Main Street. So like literally, like we saw the next day, like the morning of like Wednesday morning, guy was gone.
So they already have the wreaths on the
only Emporium. They have a lot of Christmas decorations up already, so that's pretty cool to see. So we'll see what else we can find. Do you have any trivia?
Yeah, I do actually.
I'll try some trivia.
Why is Lightning McQueen's number 95?
That's the year, the first movie from Pixar that came out.
Yeah, Toy Story.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, I'll take the Chewbacca one, please. Yeah.
So these Starbucks cups just dropped. I don't know when because they weren't here on Tuesday. But the little candy cane is a straw cover. It's so cute. And of course, the matching ornament. I have a few of those.
Her mom gets them.
Yeah.
Gets her one. And then there's nice tumbler cup.
Yeah, this one is $34.99.
If I had to guess, that one's probably $50 like they always are. So.
I actually really like this one though.
I like the lid on that one.
It has a little bit of like iridescent, a little bit. This one is $34.99. I really, really like this one. But I have so many Starbucks cups.
Too many. Do you have any trivia?
Sure.
I'll try it.
I'll try trivia?
Yeah, I'll try trivia.
So here in Disneyland, specific to Disneyland,
okay.
There is one attraction. It has a total of 4 entrances.
So there's 5 airports.
But only one main entrance.
Is it? Is it the train? Yeah. All right. You have any pins?
So the 2 that I have are going to be, one's a random one. Be careful though, because I don't have the backing.
Okay.
So that's a Tomorrowland women's restroom sign, and then Mickey, because I really like that one. So.
Right on. I'm gonna pass on those, but I appreciate the question. That was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at the picture.
Don't see anything on this board. Okay, guys, we totally just spotted this new box, holiday wreaths.
I spotted it.
Yeah, I haven't seen anybody post this one. But on the side,
there's an Alice one, Lilo and Stitch, Pinocchio, Peter Pan. I don't know that one.
Dalmatians.
Is that Dumbo?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then Pooh. Oh, that's Peter Pan. I don't know, but you get it.
We'll post a better picture up here, but definitely gonna get this box. There's also this Yoda pin I didn't see the other day, but it says my ally is the Force and a powerful ally. It is. So whatever that means. Pretty cool though. Limited release, $17.99. Not bad.
Smile, Chippendale.
There you go. Smile. I'm a bad man because I keep forgetting to bring my Kermit, but I wanted to show you guys this Kermit plush. It's pretty, or not plush. It's like a pillow. It's pretty big, honestly. That's like my hand right there, and it's like the size of a loungefly. Pretty good size, and it retails for $44.99. A little bit on the pricier side, but it's a premium object, premium item. And here's this one, but I don't see anything as well. I didn't get a chance to show this, but over here in Frontierland, they have the holiday decorations already. It looks really nice already. So this is what my home looks like right now. Okay. I'm home. at the Frontierland. All right, we just pulled up to Frontierland. Of course, the first thing we see is Mel's backpack. Hell yeah, he's got his sick.
Look at this Pipita.
I like that one. Yeah, that one's crazy.
And he got the shirt.
He got the shirt.
He got the lanyard.
You got the lanyard. Let's see the lanyard.
See your lanyard.
There you go.
Dang.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that one.
I love that one.
Always got a good collection. And you got the cast member rocket. Yeah. Nice stuff, man. Always.
Thank you.
Nothing right here either.
Yeah, they had that post this morning.
Nope. Nothing on this board either.
Okay, so we're gonna do this unboxing. I really want the Alice one. Is there one you want? The Dumbo, I guess, right? You don't like any. Or the Stitch one's cute too. Has little scrum.
Yeah, let's go with the Dumbo.
Okay.
Dumbo supremacy on this channel. We love perforated lines, even though they're not on here. But Jasmine just said there's like a piece of paper.
Yeah. See. Oh, Dalmatian.
Okay, right on.
That's cute.
I like how they're using like these different color pin backs, I guess.
Like
color
rose
pin.
gold?
Yeah, this is rose gold. They also had them with the Mischief metal ones or whatever that I opened up a couple weeks ago. So pretty cool. And this one is also rose gold. Nice.
What is it?
I have no idea. Actually, I just said nice.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
You said
Yeah, I don't know. It's a good one. Nice. Just came in to get a fuel ride again. I spotted this one. Nice.
That's a cute one.
What'd you get? I don't even have flash on. I don't know. Give me. Nice.
I know I love that.
Oh, nice. I've never seen that one. Nice. Little monster.
His head always moves. That's like his thing.
They're cute. I just got. Are you interested in any of these?
If you
Have some more of those.
So we've been trading at Frontierland for quite a bit some time now. Hopefully Jasmine can make a trade. We got about 40 minutes left here. All right, with Chris, Gio, and Chris and Gio. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we're gonna do a boardwalk. We're gonna hit Tomorrowland, and then the park closes in like 15 minutes. So hopefully people are leaving good stuff behind, so I can grab it. Wow, last 15 minutes is crazy. Fell off the curb. Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, there you go. Nice. There's somebody also left these nice stickers. There's the Marie one. Very nice. All right, guys. So upon further inspection on this sleeping Marie one, it is it looks like a scrapper, guys. You can see the dents of the dipping in the paint. The line work isn't the greatest. Feels light, and the back looks to be bogus. Crazy, guys. I didn't know they were faking this set, but nah. But yeah, looks like they are. So be on the lookout for the sleeping ones, guys.
With the mobile checkout person should be underneath. Whoever has a tablet, yeah.
Not a bad one, but I'm okay on this one. I never seen this R2D2 hat. It's like a corduroy material. It's pretty nice. It's a nice off-white cream color. It retails for $29.99. I don't know if it's youth or not. It doesn't look youth, but definitely feels lighter than a normal hat. And then here's this other Star Wars one. I've never seen this one as well, but really cool hats.
What is it?
All right, look at this guy. There's a big spider right here at Frontierland. We have no idea what to do. This has never happened before. They came from the tree.
You guys are Spider-Man fans, so there you go.
There you go.
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm ready. I've been waiting.
It's a pretty spider.
I've been waiting for this
Put your hand under it.
No, hell no. Dang, that is a crazy looking spider.
Dude, I didn't even notice because like it literally crawled in between both of us. We're literally just talking, and I'm like, stop.
Oh my damn, this is a big spider.
Hell yeah!
Oh, there you go.
Nah, he gone. He said, hey, stop blowing on me.
Hell
Oh, real quick, guys, I want to show you guys this this Baymax Munchling right here. It's for the advent calendar.
Look at the size comparison.
Those pens are huge. So
The size comparison to the other Munchling. ISO, Cheshire, Little Green,
Alien, and Lotso. Right here, some nice quality finds. These two are, this one's from a set and this one's from a lanyard set. So not a bad find. What'd you guys think? And here's our Frontierland haul. Not a bad haul. This was actually a zap from Gio because he could, I don't know, he had like some funny story with this one. Anyways, yeah, Jasmine really likes this one.
I love that one.
And this one's always good. What is it, Lost Boy or something?
He's not a lost boy.
Oh.
He's one of the little kids.
Oh, so he's not a Lost Boy.
I don't think so.
And then, yeah, shout out to Dana for this one. This one's really cool. But yeah, I mean, other than that.
Also, it was nice meeting so many of you.
Oh yeah, we did meet a good amount of people today. So we appreciate everybody that stopped by, said what's up. And again, if you ever see us trading at the benches, please do say what's up and come trade with us.
Wait, and then these were the ones.
Oh yeah, these are the ones that we ended up buying. So we did figure out this was a Chippendale.
I think.
Okay, we think this is Chippendale, and then this is the Dalmatians. All right, guys, so that concludes our weekly trip to Disneyland. We had a pretty good time today with some friends. Lots of laughs.
Yeah.
Man, what a time at Frontierland we had. We managed to find a good amount of pins, as you saw. You know, the boards, I'm not going to complain about the boards anymore because whatever happens, happens, honestly.
Yeah.
And, you know, we're just happy to be here, honestly. Go Birds, as usual. We play Dallas this week, so it's a Dallas week. And congratulations to the Texas Rangers that won the World Series.
Yeah.
So Texas will be happy for one moment, and we're coming in to
Come on.
ruin their happiness. Anyways, I mean, that's it. We're about to go get some tacos with Blanca and Gio, so take you guys along with us. So stick around for that. And I mean, if you're brand new here, please do leave a like, comment and or subscribe if you're brand new here. If you haven't already, and just follow us on Instagram at Adam Crispins with a Z, and come along with us. Just got to the spot. I got myself some tacos. Jazz got tacos. Blanca got nachos and some tacos. Gio got a burrito. Got the horchata. Try the tripas.
It's different. You have to try it. It's actually crispy. Yeah, because they season it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Got the Disney table.
Yeah, the table.
Oh, yeah.
If you know, you know. Sorry, guys, I can't give up the spot. Sorry, guys, I couldn't let you guys see my tacos bare. I do put cilantro and onion and drench it in limes. Pretty good food? Everything good? Everything good? Everything good?